Detox Your Kitchen Part 2. These are videos where we discuss the kind of things that we need to get rid of from our kitchen so that we can protect our health and also that of our loved ones. So now let's start minimizing the use of plastic to store food. We tend to use plastic because it is cheaper, right? And also we have them lying around. We also get them because we order in a lot and then there are plastic containers which we feel we need to use later. But you need to remember that there's a lot of harmful chemicals that's used in order to produce plastic containers. And as we store food in them, the plastic continues to leach into the food. And in the long run, this can cause harm to the body. So then what are the options? Glass containers for storing food and also steel containers. As far as possible, even all my masalas are in glass bottles. These are worth the investment because they will last for very long. For water, of course, there's nothing like my matka. It keeps the water cool, you don't need to refrigerate the water even in the summer, and it's not that expensive.